Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. Come along with us today. We're going to head up to Severna Park, a beautiful home. It's on the river, and we're going to install a brand new lawn sprinkler system. And we're going to give it our darndest to see if we can get this complete system in one day. Come along with us. We're going to take a look and get this system underway. Hey guys, we're heading up to Severna Park today. We're going to be up on the water working. It's got a beautiful view of the Severn River here. Client called us out to install an underground automatic lawn sprinkler system. He just moved in a couple months ago, was tired of dragging the hose up and down his lawn to keep the grass green. So he called TLC to retire his hose dragging once and for all. The guys and gals are underway here. The entire system had to be installed by hand since there was no room to get the vibratory plow into the backyard. It's a lot of labor, but our crews work hard and move fast. We're used to this. This system will still be started and finished all in one day. Here's one of the valve manifolds all put together. It will be installed up next to the flower beds, as you can see at the bottom of the screen. With the system fully installed in the lawn, all that's left is to assemble and connect the plumbing, install the Hunter Smart Controller, which is web-based off the internet, so it ties into the satellites for the weather, which really makes a nice system. And plus, you can override it with your longitude, latitude of your property, which we set up for you. With these Hunter Smart Controllers, using some of the most up-to-date technology, setting up and monitoring your underground lawn sprinkler system is easier than ever. It's controlled through an app on your phone. We always walk you through and how to set up this app and identify each zone. That way the system would be fully automated and you could override it anytime you want to turn things on and off, and you use your smartphone anywhere in the world. Hey, Bob Carr with TLC. We're just getting back to the office and we're just finished a job for Kevin, new client, but we've installed some other things for him in the past. But we just finished up a brand new lawn sprinkler system. As you saw in the video, there was a lot of handwork on the waterfront. There was a lot of things going there. It was a very busy site, so we didn't want to use a vibratory plow and do any damage to the property. But we got this all done, complete lawn sprinkler system, smart controller, wireless rain sensor, all the heads, valves, everything in complete, the yard all cleaned up. Again, another TLC job complete, and we'll talk to you in the next video.